Unlock your creative makeup style with Athena Face Body Paint from You Can Be. Look at these 20 beautiful colors that can be used as is or mix with each other to create a wide range of new colors. This is also useful for the color mixing trend. Just note that this has thick consistency, so I add moisturizer on the lighter color. This is the process of how I created the orangey makeup look. I've used red, yellow, orange, and white on this part. I've added some flowers. Try using other tools like cotton swabs. Add some finishing touches to complete the look. Keep trying to improve your skills. This is the final look. Not perfect, but I've enjoyed and learned.